Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to reset the change engine oil light. This is going to be on my 2002 Silverado with the Duramax. This procedure should be the same for anywhere from 01 to 04. As far as this piece of paper that I have, I keep this just to remind me exactly what to do. But it's super simple. So yeah, this is going to be on a 2002. And if I turn this on here, it should light up after the battery thing goes away. This little message center here, see there it is, change engine oil. So when that comes on, obviously you're going to want to change your engine oil, which I just did. I'm on my lunch break at work. I just changed my oil. So what you're going to do to get rid of that is you're going to turn the ignition to the on position like I just did, and then you're going to push in your gas pedal the procedure says 3 times, but I found it's better if you do it 5 times. The last time I did this, I struggled with it. I couldn't get it to work. So what I found works is 5 times, push it all the way to the floor as far as it'll go, and you want to do it fairly quick. Again, the procedure says 5 seconds, but I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly 5 seconds, but you want to do it as quickly as you can. So you're going to turn the key to the on position, you're going to push the pedal down 5 times, and then you're going to turn it off and start your truck, and hopefully that light will be gone. The other thing is, if you were just driving your truck, this might not work. I ran into that problem as well last time. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do this after your truck's been sitting for a while. Like I said, I'm on my lunch break, so it's been sitting probably 4 hours. Hopefully this works. So we're gonna give it a shot. So here we go. Key on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off. And then we will start it. And there you go, no more light. So that's how you do it. If you like this video, stay tuned for the next one. I have a set of towing mirrors coming in, so that's going to be the next video is how to wire up the new style tow mirrors on a 2002. So keep your eyes out for that one, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.